Hey everyone, Stephanie here, and I have an unboxing today. This is from Irregular Choice. I know that it is from their newest Disney collection, which is Bambi and Dumbo. However, I don't know what shoes are in here, or accessories, because they do shoes and accessories. But we're gonna open it up and find out. So let's get to it. Okay, let's see what's inside. Oh, okie dokie. Okay, first things first. Is this that says Dumbo? Oh, the paper is really cute. It has little tickets on it.
It's Dumbo.
Yeah, it's Dumbo. Here, Lulu would like to come join us.
See people.
You want to see the paper?
See people.
See, it says Dumbo and Circus, and it's a ticket, and it says admit one.
People.
Yeah, there's paper. And then when we open it up, oh my goodness, look at these. How fun are these? They're boots and they're furry. And they have a train. And then they have, I guess this might be the original artwork from the poster. These are kind of crazy. This is something I probably would never pick out for myself, but that's what's fun about getting these boxes, these mystery boxes from Irregular Choice, is that they send me stuff and I have no idea what's coming, and then I just get to have fun styling them. So these are really cool, and I definitely don't have, I've never had boots from Irregular Choice, so these will be definitely really fun to try out. I like that there's little cutouts with stars in them. Oh my goodness, Lulu. Do you like these? Cool. Let's see what the other box in here is. This one says Bambi, and it has Thumper and female rabbits whose names I don't know, and Bambi on them. I love Bambi. Okay, let's see what's inside. Oh, look at this paper. This paper has Bambi on it. And then we open it up. Oh, I see a little flower tail. Oh, and they say flower on the side, and they're this amazing multicolored glitter, and all of this is raised. There's Thumper. Do you want to see it? Oh, and this one has Flower's face. Flower's face, and then it has Bambi on the bottom. You want to see this one too? Now, Flower and Thumper are definitely my favorite parts of Bambi, and always have been, so these are super exciting. I probably would have chosen these for myself from this collection. Yeah, they're glitter. Should Mommy put one on? Let's see. Oops, and down we go. Oh, yep. Let me put the other one on. These the shoes. Oh, and the inside is super cute. It has this Bambi pattern inside with Flower and Thumper and Bambi. Super cute. We'll have full pictures and more reviews. Here's my growing belly. Here's my growing child. We'll have full pictures and reviews up on the site at fashionablynerdy.com, so make sure you check that out, and I will see you next time. Bye.
Sunshine.